MC and welcome to the arrivals gate of Reading Jap Meet. We are back capturing all the cars arrive at the Japanese meet. There is an S14 coming in, so enjoy. The very non-Japanese Lamborghini Caravan. It's got bits on it. MX-5 with Subarus. That was a slide. An R34 in red. Don't see them in red, do you? Well, you do, because there's one. There is a turquoise Nissan GTR. It's a Mark 1. It's a Mark 1. Oh, Persian's getting the angles. California. Another one, EK9 followed by a Mr. 2. Oh my god, it's back. Oh my god, it's doing laps. Why is this happening? Oh, he's going. What a chopper. Oh, wait a minute, we have an MX-5 and it's on a Supra. They're like a train attached to each other. Noises from that car. Oh look, there we go. The micro is low. Porsche Turbo is back with some friends he has picked up. But wait, there's more. I heard my name. Mr. 2. It's an R32 coming down, he is flying up the road. There is a second one behind it. Loud noises, civil play. See that coming. R34 leading another convoy full of S14. It's a war zone. Prelude. Another fun game is watching the faces of the puzzled locals, wondering what on earth we're all doing sat here. Also, brave wheels in the skyline. And now for something a little bit different, a Ford Anglia. on the electric car. You're gonna die. Angled. So standing here, we can see the cars coming up the road this way and over there as well. Golden one is getting sideways. The other one isn't. He has teeth though. Oh my god, MX-5s for days. And he raises us a Mark IV, which is funny because it's been lowered. That was a slide. Oh, it's the 350Z. I wouldn't. So the police van has parked up to spectate. It's the Swedish Boost Mafia is boosted as well. Oh, it's a chaser! There is a chaser! T-shirts are still available here. Lovely. And the Civic Casey Price. The Jeep is on it. Another R32. LS 400. Is that another Supra? It's a high-vis car. Drive by. Wait a minute. It is a chaser. It's a white chaser. Because everyone loves a white chaser. Here he comes. Has that got wide arches? We have a Mitsubishi Evo with a Marlboro livery of sorts, essentially Marlboro stickers. S15. Another livery and a yellow Golf. You leave so soon? One of his spokes is different to the others. Yes, yellow spots. We also have Bring Neon's back t-shirts available. Oh, it's another chaser. We have another one. The flash of the headlights mid-send. For your information, he flies. Something loud has just done a loud bang. Would it be the S14 with the big wing, or maybe the purple Focus behind it? Let's see. Let's see both of these cars as they come in. That's very purple, sizable spoiler. And purple bangs, maybe? Nice window, mate. Cheeky convoy. It's S13 with a Lotus. 34. Here it is. So, they were the cars arriving at Reading Japanese Meet. I'm going to go now and catch them leaving, but that will be in a separate video as always, so check that one out. But I hope you enjoyed that video. Follow me on Instagram for all the highlights about these meets I go to, including Reading Japanese Meet, which is back again. But for now, thanks for watching.